Have you ever wondered how easy AI tools have made our lives? Well, if you haven't, then we will make you feel that in this video. Yes, you heard that right. Do you want to know some of the latest tools that can significantly impact our lives? If yes, then let's start the video. Before moving forward, hit the subscribe button and join our channel AI Zone to never miss any exciting videos that we make for you. Beautiful. Using OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, DesignerBot Beautiful.ai produces fully realized presentations, including relevant text, layouts, photos, icons, and designs based on simple lines of text. AI automatically creates different content and slides for business, school, and personal use, including text, lines, lists, icons, and charts that can be used for presentations, sales promotions, marketing presentations, or even abstract concepts, all from a short user-generated description provided. Beautiful.ai's powerful smart slides technology can be used to edit slides quickly by adding or removing content and to adjust, resize, and layout drops automatically while maintaining and supporting company branding guidelines. The addition of DesignerBot provides a truly automated end-to-end experience for the Beautiful.ai presentation ecosystem, eliminating hours of frustrating effort designing and narrating beautiful presentations. Since day one, Beautiful.ai's mission has been to use assistive AI technologies to build software that understands the rules of great design and provides knowledge workers with a complete presentation ecosystem that empowers them to create a better, faster, and more creative content. Hotpot. Have you ever heard of Hotpot AI photo recovery tool? If yes, then you must know about the fantastic features of old photo recovery. Or if not, you're in the right video to learn the basics of this AI software to help you recover photos. With Hotpot.ai's AI capabilities, you can easily modify new and existing properties. Visual quality and graphics are not affected by this AI function. It provides excellent tools to make colors and pictures look more realistic. One of its qualities is the ability to inspire you creatively and act as a sounding board for your thoughts as you work to mold them into finished works of art. Several decent tools offer the same service as Hotpot.ai, and it can sure be confusing trying to pick the best from the crowd. Fortunately, we provide you with our curated list of alternative tools to suit your unique work needs, along with features and prices. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-based tool that creates videos to accompany written content. Users can link to articles or blog posts or enter text, and Lumen 5 will turn the text into a video. Users can then tinker with the video by adding music, inserting new photos, and changing the format. Lumen 5 can be used in education to stimulate students' interest in a topic, support students learning with multimedia, and facilitate knowledge building through video design. Lumen 5 offers free, beginner, premium, and business memberships. Paid subscriptions range from $19 for a personal account to $150 monthly for business accounts. With Lumen 5, students can set up multimodal resources to support their learning. Lumen 5 enables students to express their knowledge, insights, and ideas through videos. Before we jump on to the next one, share your thoughts about the previous ones in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about this AI-related stuff, as we would also like you to know everything and anything. Trevor. Trevor AI is an online artificial intelligence platform designed to help businesses and organizations streamline their operations and increase efficiency. With its advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, Trevor AI tool can automate various tasks, including customer service, data analysis, and content creation. This not only saves businesses time and resources, but also helps them provide a better customer experience by responding to customer inquiries and concerns more quickly and accurately. Trevor's AI tool is also highly customizable, allowing organizations to set it according to their specific needs and preferences. For example, businesses can train the AI tool to understand their brand voice and tone, making it easier for the tool to generate content that aligns with their brand style. Deep Nostalgia. When MyHeritage launched its Deep Nostalgia tool using D-ID's live portrait technology quite recently, we knew it would be a hit, but we weren't prepared for how far and fast it would go. Since starting at Roots Tech in Salt Lake City in Utah, the technology has now spanned the globe, with people on every continent on the planet using the app to forge an emotional connection with long-dead family members. Over 26 million faces were animated at thousands per hour in just a few days. The MyHeritage mobile app even made it to the top of the App Store, making it the most downloaded free app in the US and UK even after TikTok. US talk show host Jimmy Kimmel says his team played with Deep Nostalgia so much they lost productivity all afternoon. Jasper. Jasper AI is copywriting software that writes your content for you. This tool is perfect for bloggers and online marketers as it can write anything from blog posts to social media posts, newsletters, sales pages, and even fiction. Jasper AI is artificial intelligence, so it's a computer that has learned to mimic human speech. It knows how to do this by reading 10% of all content published on the internet. After reading millions of blog posts, websites, and Reddit threads, he looks at how people write and create original content. You can sign up for the Jasper Starter Plan for $29 per month, which will get you 20,000 words per month. Subsequent plans are $49 per month for 50,000 words and $89 per month for 100,000 words. Tetra. Tetra was developed with deep knowledge and expertise in Temenos T24 with minimal external resources through automation and AI methodologies to simplify and speed up the testing process. The test automation solution is fully integrated with the Temenos T24 core banking system and is based on the T24 database. Intelligent test automation tools facilitate all areas of T24 testing by using AI to create business cases, develop rules for test case types, calculate expected values, and run actual tests. The results are displayed in the user interface and are accessible in the form of user-friendly, editable reports. The test automation tool can record test cases from user input and the T24 transaction database. The Tetra neural network groups diverse content into rules and enables them to learn the existing and changing business logic behind the test cases. Using TCT and checkpoints, Tetra can create test plans and run tests with different user profiles. A test plan is a set of test cases and checkpoints that can cover a complete workflow of a banking product. It is also possible to extend test plans to the entire product lifecycle of a bank, for example. DALL-E 2. Does life imitate art, or does art imitate life? With DALL-E 2 OpenAI, art can replicate almost anything. With popular text-to-art platform lets nearly anyone create drawings, but with a keyboard instead of a brush. The concept sounds too simple to be true. Type your idea into the search bar and it's done. However, for the best results, follow these tips and tricks to get more realistic and accurate picture of your desired search. DALL-E 2 is currently free to use, but it has a catch. You get 50 free credits in the first month of use and 15 free credits after that. Credits are not redeemed until generations have been entered and completed, so searches that violate content policies and are not generated will be deducted from free credits. Since you're technically creating ideas for your artwork, you're an accredited artist for AI-made products by default. However, if you choose to download an image, a two-tone DALL-E watermark will appear in the lower right corner. ChatGPT. ChatGPT was released as a prototype on November 30th of 2022 and quickly attracted attention due to its detailed answers and verbal responses across multiple knowledge areas. Inconsistent factual accuracy was identified as a significant deficiency. After launching ChatGPT, OpenAI is valued at $29 billion. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a natural language processing technology that enables machines to understand and respond to human speech. Developed using the American company OpenAI, it is an artificial intelligence system that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human speech in natural language. In short, it's a text-based interaction between machines and humans. This platform is specifically designed to understand and generate natural language. This sets it apart from many other chatbots which are often intended to provide predefined answers to certain inputs or to perform specific tasks. Its ability to remember previous questions you asked and respond differently sets it apart from all other chatbots out there. The responses are also less conversational than more classic chatbots. Did you enjoy the video? I know you have, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel AI Zone and share the video with your friends and family to let them know about us, and let's make the most prominent family ever.